Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to edit Freepik template on Canva. So guys, go to Freepik and search for any image you want to edit. For example, this I want to edit this infographic and click download, and after that click this AI option and click download, and after that click on upload on Canva and choose the file as you can see here, guys. After that, click on this file I choose, and you can see, guys, I can edit easily and without any problem. And as I say, guys, click this option, and I want to upload my file. This is my file, and wait to upload the design, and click this design, and you can update it. And for example, I want to choose this is 2020, and you can change the text design text as you can see here. And this is easy how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and you can increase the size as you can see here. This is how you can do, guys.